When a family decides to remodel, there is one question that doesn't always get said out loud. How do we know the work is being done the right way? Because most families only see the final result. They see the finished floor, the painted walls, the clean stairs, the beautiful space at the end, but what they don't always see is everything that happens before that final result exists. The measuring, the cutting, the preparation, the adjustments, the time spent making sure each piece is ready before it becomes part of their home. And that is where quality really begins. A remodel is not only about what looks good when the project is finished, it is about what was done correctly before anyone could see the final result. Because one small mistake at the beginning can create a bigger problem later. A wrong measurement, a rushed cut, a piece that does not fit correctly, a detail that was skipped because someone wanted to move faster. Those things may seem small in the moment, but inside a home, small details can change how everything feels. And that is one of the biggest fears families have. What if they rush the work? What if they don't pay attention to the details? What if we spend the money and later we realize something wasn't done right? What if the final result looks nice but it doesn't last? Those are real concerns. Because remodeling is not just construction, it is trust. You are trusting someone with your home, with your investment, with the place where your family lives, rests, gathers, and creates memories. That is why the process matters so much. At Woodworks Remodeling, we believe the work a family does not see is just as important as the work they do see. Before something is installed, it has to be prepared the right way. Before a piece becomes part of the home, it has to be measured, cut, checked, and handled with care. Before the final result looks complete, the process behind it has to be intentional. Because quality is not created by rushing. Quality is created by doing the right steps in the right order. And sometimes the most important part of a remodel happens before the family ever sees the finished space. It happens when the team stops to double check a measurement. It happens when a piece is cut carefully instead of quickly. It happens when someone takes the time to make an adjustment so the final result feels cleaner. It happens when the team understands that every detail will eventually become part of someone's everyday life. That is the responsibility we carry. We are not just working with materials, we are working on a family's home. And that changes everything, because the goal is not only to finish the project, the goal is to finish it in a way that the family can feel proud of, a way that feels clean, a way that feels complete, a way that feels done with care. Many families worry about choosing the wrong company because they know remodeling mistakes can be expensive. And sometimes the most expensive mistakes are not the ones you see right away. They appear later. When something starts to wear too soon, when a finish does not connect properly, when a detail feels off, when the space looks updated, but something still does not feel right. That is why preparation matters. That is why communication matters. That is why craftsmanship matters. And that is why at Woodworks Remodeling, we take the details seriously. Because we know families are not only paying for materials, they are paying for peace of mind, they are paying for a process they can trust, they are paying for the confidence of knowing their home is being handled with care. So when you see our team measuring, cutting, preparing, and working through the details, remember this. This is not just the work before the remodel. This is the foundation of the result. The work you don't see is often what protects the result you do see. And that is what makes the difference between a space that only looks finished and a space that truly feels complete. At Woodworks Remodeling, we help families remodel with clarity, intention, and care. Because your home deserves more than a quick update. It deserves thoughtful work. It deserves careful preparation. And your family deserves a result that feels right, not only today, but for years to come. Woodworks Remodeling. Built with intention. Prepared with care. Made for family.